You know how like I used to like do burping videos? Well, today is out there. So I'm gonna show off like how to take a burp. Alright. 3, 2, 1. Oh, you go be quiet. But that's it, bro. Probably grew shorter, but that's it.